Hey everyone, I'm Sarah Fish.
And I'm Brandon Price.
And this is Fish
or Price Ranch.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish or Price Ranch. I'm Sarah. First off, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I was sent a new milking machine to try out, and so what we're going to do is we're going to do some unboxing and then we're going to go test it out on the girls. The only bad thing is it's in Chinese and I don't know of a brand name, I guess, but I'll be putting the link down below, so if we like it, hopefully, and then if you guys want to check it out, I'll have the link below so you guys can test out if you want to also for yourselves. Alright, so we're going to be doing the unboxing now. I've already taken it out of another box that had some paper in it that kept it from moving around. Now we've got this box which I've already opened. So this is what's inside. So we have the scrub brush for the hose. And then we have, this is probably the motor. Yep, here is the motor. And the instructions. And then we have the plug. And then some more scrubbies. And then here is the canister. Well, they have it taped up pretty good. That's a pretty good size one too. My other one that I have is smaller. It's got the 4 clicks in it. Oh, has a little float so that way you don't overfill. That looks a little different from my other one. And then here are the inflations in the hose. Now this hose is thicker. So I guess if we have heavy milkers, it'll let the milk flow a little bit faster. So that'll be interesting to try out. And that's it. So this is everything that we have. The instructions will tell you how to hook it up. So I'll show you guys. Let me just undo all these hoses and then we'll get it put together. Alright, so this shows you how to set it all up in the instructions. Backside's in Chinese. But I know how they go together. So what we do is we're going to put this lid back on. And then the hose that comes out the bottom of your inflations is your milk hose. So this has to go on the one with the milk. We've got the milk hose is going in right here. 1. Let me see if it has a 1 on this. Right there. So it has a 1. And it's going to connect to 1 all the way down. And then the top part is your air hose. And that has a 4. These normally connect to here. So we're going to put the 4 with the 4. Get it on there nice and snug. Then we have our other air hose. We have a number 2 that's going to go on here. And then it's going to connect to 3 on this side. Okay, so that's all it takes to hook it up. So you just have all these hoses. I normally get like a bag or a tote or something to put my milk machine in, just so I don't have stuff kind of everywhere. So then once we turn it on, so if you look at it, it's a dial. So when you turn it on, just the 1 click turns it on, and then it has where you can adjust how much it sucks. So to test this out, I can put it on my arm, and it says it takes about 15 to 20 seconds to get full suction because it's taken the air out of the canister. I can see it starting to pulsate in there, and then I can make it go higher. So it'll be interesting to see how it works on the girls. But there's the unboxing. Alright, so we got our first girl up here, and we have everything still connected. We're ready to go. So I'm going to turn it on. We're going to start it on like a medium. And I typically do 1 squirt to get it going. Alright, so I just got it on her. We're pulling milk. It's all hooked up. I've noticed that if I leave it down, the weight of these will sometimes pinch the nipple right here, and it blocks the milk from coming out, so I have to hold it up a little bit. And it's a little bit slower than I'm used to, but it's working. That's my old machine there. And this is as fast as this will go. I can make it go slower, but then it's like really slow. And so I have it all the way up. Alright, so I just started my other dough on it. They don't make very big around inflators, which would be nice for the girls with the larger teats. So they barely fit in there, and they take a long time to get started. I typically have to hand milk these girls for at least 1/3 of the milk that they have in there. So maybe this company would be interested in making larger teat cups. Alright, so I'm trying it on another dough. I just got them started to hold. And this is one of my fastest milkers because she has such a heavy flow. So we're going to see how well it works on her. Alright, I've got a little bit of milk flow from each. Probably a little bit hard to see that. Coming in. So I've actually milked a few girls into here, so I'm sure this canister will fill up. I want to test to see when it shuts off. But this girl has such a heavy flow that the milk tube is already pretty much full of milk. So it's not really taking any more milk, so I'm pretty sure this is now full. So now I'm going to have to empty this out, and then I can finish milking her. Alright, so here's what it looks like when it's full. So the little float works. It only gets that full. Leaves about 2 inches from the top. So I think overall the machine does a pretty good job. I do really like the milk hose is actually thicker than some of the other machines that I've used. And then it is nice that it does have the option for the suction to be adjusted, but it seems I have to use it on full speed to get a good milking rhythm. Otherwise it's really, really slow. I really love that I can charge it and then I can take it out to my barn that does not have power, and I can run the machine out there no problem. And it lasts quite a long time. I've been milking been testing it out for about a week, and I've been milking about 3 to 5 girls every day, and I haven't charged it once, which is really nice. So if you guys are interested in checking out this machine, it's just over $100, so it's pretty affordable. I'll be putting the link down below in the description box, and we'll actually have a discount for if you guys have seen this video also in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.